Hi there, go ahead and get your journal out so we can continue working on our research project. I'll give you some time to do that. All right, if you need more time, just go ahead and pause the video, but let's get started. Remember, if you're at home, you either flip the page over so you could find it a little bit easier, or if you're at school, you've got a paper clip. So, right here. All right, so contents, appearance page 2, diet page 3, habitat page 4, family page 5, facts page 6. But you know something we didn't do? We didn't write what animal we're researching up top. Elephants. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and copy that, I'll give you a moment. All right, if you need more time, just pause the video. Okay, so I'm going to unclip my pages. And today we are going to be focusing on appearance, okay? So, page 2, right there, see? Appearance. I'm going to get a different color marker. I'm going to write appearance. And remember, I'm going to take a picture of whatever we work on and put it on the next slide, so if you need more time, you can always look on the next slide to finish copying. Appearance. All right, appearance. Okay, let's think back. We had a read aloud yesterday over elephants, a read aloud earlier over elephants, and then we went to Pebble Go and read a little bit more information over elephants. Appearance. So, let's see. Elephants have, well, I'm going to give you a moment to think about it. Go ahead and think. Think about the way elephants look. What did we learn? All right, if you need more time, pause the video. But we learned that elephants have gray, bumpy skin, right? They also have long trunks and floppy ears. Let's go ahead and write that. Elephants have gray, bumpy skin. Sorry, I smeared it a little bit right there, so I try to fix it. Bumpy skin. They also have long trunks and floppy ears. Period. Okay, so elephants have bumpy skin. They also have long, period right here. They also have long trunks and floppy ears. Do not draw a picture. I know usually you will draw a picture, but for your activity, I'm going to have you draw a picture with the labels later. So save this for our reading activity. Okay, so I'm going to take a moment to copy. Also, I will have this on the next slide so you can copy. I'll give you some time. All right, let's go ahead and go to diet now. If you didn't have enough time, remember, you could pause the video or you could just wait until the next slide to catch up. Diet. All right, we've read 2 different stories and went to Pebble Go. So we've learned that elephants eat grass, roots, plants, and leaves. They also eat a couple other things, but these are the things that we're going to write. So elephants eat grass, roots, comma, plants, and leaves. Can you give you some time to catch up? On this one, you get to draw a picture, so you can actually draw some grass and roots or whatever you'd like on this one. So remember, diet's on page 3. All right, if you need more time, remember I'm going to be taking a picture of this and putting on the next slide. But if you'd like, you can go ahead and draw a little picture. Okay. And you can actually take your time and color in the picture, but I'm just going a little bit quicker. All right. And don't forget to label. Grass. Leaves. Okay? And then you can also draw or color some roots and some plants if you'd like. All right, so remember, if you need more time, I'm going to take pictures of both the appearance and diet and put it on the next slide. Do not do a picture yet for appearance because that's going to be your reading activity today.